What's up, guys? In this video I'm going to be breaking down our push type aluminum bearing that we offer for the Mitsubishi Evo. So first, I'm going to show you what's included in your box. You have your bearing, your shims, and your clutch and bleeder line. So as you guys know, the Evo comes factory with a pull type clutch setup. For our 725 and 850 series twin discs, we offer a push type conversion for all aluminum internal slave. So there's 3 simple steps into installing this bearing. 1 is going to be shimming the bearing, 2 is going to be mounting the bearing, and the final step is going to be connecting your lines. So when it comes down to shimming it, once you figured out the measurements and how many shims are going to be needed to get within spec, just get your housing, push the bearing down, and you can remove the collar. Once you figure out how many shims you need, go ahead and slide them over the collar, get your bearing, and push it back in. Now that the bearing is shimmed, let's get it mounted up. So over your input shaft, there's going to be a retainer with 4 bolts. You're going to go ahead and remove those, and you're going to reuse them when it comes down to tighten the bearing down. Once you've got the bearing installed, go ahead and grab your clutch and bleeder line, screw them on, proceed to bleed the system, and after that's done, you should be able to go for a drive. So that's it for today's video. If you guys have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comment section on the video. If not, feel free to give us a call.